Hi everyone, Susannah here with this month's challenge for the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group, Deadbug. Yep, we're going to do Deadbug, an essential core strengthening exercise. But the real challenge is it's also a brain challenge. So you'll see we have to coordinate left and rights. This is really great for our brain. Also, at the end of the exercise, we're going to do a hold that's going to be a resistance exercise that will literally strengthen your bones and your muscles. So let's get to it. You can do this on the rug, the floor, your bed, or a yoga mat. So come on down to your back. Safely engaging your abdominals, lower to your back. And once you're down here, you'll begin by lifting both feet up off the floor and holding them so that your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Now both arms will extend, so fingertips are pointing towards the ceiling and palms are facing each other. And now we're simply going to move opposites. So let's begin, let's say it's the right leg and the left arm and lower, and then lift up again. So now you lower your opposites. So left leg, right arm goes overhead, touches the floor behind you if it's possible, and then back up to the starting position. And we do it over and over, let's say about 10 times both sides. So that was 1. So here's 2. Great. And 3. And 4. Continue breathing. 5. Engage your abdominals. See if you can tune into them by actually engaging them. And 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, both sides. Great. And do a little counter pose. So pull your knees in gently, lower your feet, and perhaps rock your lower back side to side. Great. Now, next is the strengthening move that I mentioned. So let's place the left foot down and bring the right leg back up to that same 90-degree position. Take your right, if it's your right leg, take your right hand and press into your thigh and the left hand on top. And now simply press. Press your thigh into your hands and your hands into your thigh and press as hard as you can. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Now let's count to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Keep pushing. 3, 2, and 1. And relax. Whew. No doubt you felt some sensation somewhere, maybe in your hip. Do a few bicycles just to release any tension. Other side, plant your foot down. And now it's the left leg. So left hand on left thigh, right hand on top of left hand. And now ready to push, push. Push your femur bone into your hands into your thigh. Go, go, go. Press. 10, 9, 8. Breathe. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, that was a lot. Shake it out, circle it out. Ooh, hands on top of knees. A nice counter stretch for this would be hip circles. So take your knees out to the sides as you circle the hip joint around. Any moves that feel natural for you would be great. Excellent. And then draw the knees into the chest. Roll over to one side, keep your chin tucked, and push yourself back up. And there you have it. Deadbug challenge for the month of November 2023. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on Facebook.